The R Squad and the Muddy Mix-Up. A story by Reaby Education. Jayden the Joker loved making his friends laugh. A silly face, a funny sound, or a playful trick, Jayden always knew how to bring a smile. But sometimes Jayden's jokes went a little too far. One sunny afternoon, as the R Squad explored a forest trail, Jayden thought of a trick. This will be funny, Jayden thought. He giggled as Tasha stepped forward, right onto the twig. Splash! Tasha stumbled into a puddle. Mud splattered on her bright orange jacket. Jayden laughed. "Oops, my bad," he said, still chuckling. But Tasha wasn't laughing. Luna rushed to help her up. Milo crossed his arms. Diego said quietly, "That wasn't funny at all." Jayden's laughter slowly faded. He saw Tasha's muddy jacket and her unhappy eyes. Suddenly, the joke didn't feel so funny anymore. I'm sorry, Tasha," Jayden said softly. "I didn't mean to make you upset. I just wanted to make everyone laugh." Tasha smiled gently. "Thank you for saying sorry, Jayden. That means a lot. Just remember, good jokes make people happy, not hurt." Jayden's apology made the whole group feel better. He even offered a silly handkerchief, making Tasha laugh again. This time, it was the right kind of laugh. From that day on, Jayden remembered. Jokes are fun, but saying sorry when you go too far makes friendships stronger. And the R Squad never forgot. When laughter and kindness go hand in hand, everyone wins. Want to hear more adventures? If you missed it, be sure to catch Episode 1, the R Squad, and the Playground Challenge, and get ready, because even more exciting stories are on the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the R Squad for future episodes coming soon.